What's up, everyone? Today we're making ginger scallion sauce. My name is Randy and we are the Laus. We're on a mission to celebrate and pass down our Chinese heritage, one meal at a time. After 50 amazing years as a Chinese chef, my dad's finally retired and he's here to teach you all of his secrets to make the perfect ginger scallion sauce. This sauce is one of my all-time favorites, and it's commonly paired with bok chit gai, a classic Cantonese chicken dish. But it's a really addictive topping that goes well with meats, tofu, leafy green vegetable stir-fries, rice or noodles, and basically everything. Hope you guys enjoy!
好多朋友問我做呢個薑葱係點雞嘅，我哋屋企經常都有㗎，個雪櫃經常都有。嗱，我哋而家整啲薑葱嚟點雞嚇，睇住我哋用4條嘅葱啦。 用啲白色嘅，用啲葱白嗱，靚啲啦嘛，一個又靚啲，一就好食啲。嗱呢啲留翻呢啲就煮大洋菜咧，留翻呢啲紫菜，即係咪煮咩都得啦嚇。嗱，首先咧開個邊先，將啲薑開湯啦，切碎佢。先你話想整幾多啦？多少啊隨你整嗱。 你用剩咗，咁你可以留翻佢，第二樣食都得，點咩都得嘅啫，食麵食飯咧都用佢都得。
To second what my dad said, I use this on basically everything. It's really good.
葱就切咗啦，就切啲薑啦，呢個薑嚟嘅，先切成薄片先嚇。
The sauce is an absolute must-have when you're eating bok chit gai, and it's an addictive sauce that goes well with everything. I'm way more particular than my dad is about weighing and measuring things, but my dad emphasized that the specific amounts of ginger and green onion don't really matter too much. In this specific instance, my dad is using 42 grams of green onion and 36 grams of ginger. Most recipes I've seen elsewhere tend to use more green onion than ginger. My dad spent about 4 minutes total mincing the ginger and scallions, so it needs to be pretty finely chopped for the perfect flavor and texture.
至於話俾幾多用幾多啦，隨你中意咯。你又係想多整多啲佢，留翻啲，第一慢慢食又得。
We have all of these ingredients listed on our blog at madewithlau.com, along with step-by-step instructions and video clips to guide you as you make the recipe at home.
然後咧，再成切成好碎嘅、好細嘅嗱，睇住啦，慢慢咁切下，唔使急。 或者你屋企有嗰啲薑刨啊，刨用咩刨又得嗱。
One thing to note is that my dad is using 2 separate plates to hold the ginger and the scallions, since we'll be cooking the ginger first.
而家咧就整埋呢個薑葱。 sauce 先啦嚇，我哋係俾5個湯匙嘅油落去，燒到嗰啲油咧，佢有300、400咁上下啦，我就倒啲薑落噶啦，倒到嗰啲有幾多隻。
Side note, Ken, my soon-to-be brother-in-law, also an engineer, got me an industrial-grade infrared thermometer for Christmas because he kept watching me ask my dad how hot his wok gets. Thanks, Ken! If you want to nerd out like us, I've included a link to the thermometer in our description. Otherwise, a good visual cue is to wait until the oil starts shimmering or forming ripples across the bottom of the wok. I also wanted to make a special shout out to thank all of our wonderful Patreon supporters for helping bring this video to life. If you enjoy our videos and are interested in supporting us directly, head on over to patreon.com/madewithlau to learn more.
通常咧如果喺餐館咧，佢啲燒到啲油好犀利嗰時就倒落去。 一碗嘅度就得啦，但係我哋屋企咧一定係要俾啲薑落去煮佢，先至袋到啲葱落去嚇。好啦，我而家就俾啲薑落去啦嚇，睇住睇到啊，炸咗先嚇。
Cook the ginger for about 15 seconds before adding the green onions.
等煮啲薑，等佢煮熟佢嚇。好啦，薑就得噶啦，就倒埋啲葱落去。
Cook everything for another 20 to 30 seconds before transferring the sauce to a bowl.
得噶啦，咁就得噶啦，好快脆，好容易嘅啫啊！唔使知佢熟啦嘛，嗱睇到啊，倒佢落嚟嚇，睇到睇到啊，倒佢落嚟，哇，係咪？好快脆嘅咋？燒滾啲油一倒落去就係啦。
點解要燒滾啲油啊？
燒滾啲油咧，佢先至整啲薑先至香，啲薑葱先至夠香啊嘛，你知嘛？薑味先至出嚟，知嘛？然之後咧，俾鹽啦，要俾鹽嗬。呢個係茶匙，俾2個夠，覺得佢唔夠鹹可以俾多啲啊。麻油最緊要俾麻油嗬。呢個梳士冇咗麻油就冇咁好食噶啦。麻油咧，呢個湯匙落去嗱，一定要記得俾麻油嗬。少咗麻油咧就冇咁好食噶啦，記得啦。嗱，搞佢，試下佢味道先。呢個咧就應該就一隻雞就唔用得晒噶啦。你咪如果有剩你咪放低佢啊，做其他嘢食咯。好嘢，好食嘅啫呢個。我哋屋企啊個雪櫃經常有嘅，而家有啊。試下佢係唔夠味咧，咪再唔夠鹹嘅，你可以再加啲鹽落去又得。試下佢先。你試下仔嗱，係咪？講咗啦，整好呢個啦，係嘛？好容易啊，係嘛？
Thank you for watching. Give us a like, subscribe, share, and thank you again for your support. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye, baby. Oh, Cam's New Year's toy.
From Auntie J.
From the Auntie J.
Auntie.
I just want the napkin. Or the napkin.
Oh, that's not a chicken. That's not a chicken.